Every year, more than 600 million turkeys are raised worldwide, a staggering number that's nearly the size of the population of North.
Turkey isn't just a holiday staple, it's also a healthy choice, low in fat and high in protein. But behind every delicious slice of meat lies a complex, modern farming and processing process. Today, we'll take you on a journey from egg to plate through the global turkey industry. In the United States alone, more than 250 million turkeys are raised each year, accounting for nearly 47% of the global total. Turkeys have long been a cultural symbol of major holidays such as Thanksgiving, Christmas and New Year's. States such as Minnesota, North Carolina and Arkansas lead the industry, with large-scale farms spanning hundreds of acres. Today's commercial turkeys, especially the broad-breasted white variety, have been selectively bred for large breasts and high growth rates. However, this breeding process has had its consequences. Due to their unique anatomy, they cannot mate naturally, forcing farmers to use artificial insemination. In strictly sanitary facilities, male turkeys or roosters are manually collected for semen. Skilled technicians carefully stimulate the birds, collecting the semen using specialized equipment. A single technician can inseminate between 1,000 and 3,000 hens in a day, ensuring continuous egg production across the farm. After fertilization, the hens are kept in individual cages where lighting, noise and temperature are strictly controlled. Even small fluctuations in environmental conditions can affect fertility by up to 30%. Within a few days, the hens begin to lay eggs, each capable of producing up to 100 eggs in its cycle. These eggs roll gently down a conveyor belt and are transferred to temperature-controlled storage trays, designed to prevent cracking or deformation. They are then transferred to the hatchery, where automated incubators maintain a precise temperature of 37 to 38 degrees. Here, the eggs are periodically turned to simulate the natural nesting process and ensure even heat distribution. After 28 days, the tiny chicks signal the start of hatching. The newly hatched chicks break out of their shells and are immediately placed in trays for post-hatch processing. They pass through a rapid cleaning machine that removes any remaining shell fragments, a task that used to take up to 15 minutes per chick, but now takes just seconds. The next step is sex sorting, which is done manually by experienced handlers, who separate the males from the females based on size and feather pattern. The hens, prized for their meat yield, are vaccinated against common poultry diseases such as avian influenza, E. coli, and enteritis. They are then placed in ventilated trays and transported in temperature-controlled vehicles, maintained at 32 to 35 degrees seaside to the satellite farms for rearing. Once on the farm, the chicks are housed in specially prepared barns lined with straw or wood chips to absorb moisture and keep them warm. These first few days are crucial because turkeys need help finding food and water. Farmers spread concentrated, protein-rich pellets directly on the ground and provide shallow water trays. Within a week, chicks can grow to more than 400 grams, and within a month, they grow nearly 80% faster than broilers. By the time the turkeys are 2 months old, they will have developed their distinctive features: bright white feathers, nearly bare necks, and sparkling eyes. As they continue to grow, their living quarters become more cramped. Adult turkeys can weigh between 25 and 45 pounds, depending on sex and breed. Once the barns are crowded and the birds reach their full maturity, the harvest begins. Turkeys are usually caught at night when they are less active and less stressed. Workers carefully collect the birds and load them into ventilated shipping crates, each holding 4 to 6 turkeys. The turkeys are then transported to processing plants in specially equipped trucks with non-slip floors and proper ventilation. Upon arrival, they are briefly weighed and examined for health. To minimize stress, the facilities use soft blue lighting during unloading. Once inside, the turkeys are stunned and immersed in hot water tanks to loosen the feathers. Soft rubber rollers then remove the feathers without damaging the skin, and automated blades remove the legs and wings with millisecond precision. Internal organs are removed with suction devices, and valuable byproducts such as livers and hearts are sent down separate conveyor belts for further processing. Carcasses are passed through chemical cleaning baths, often containing hydrogen peroxide or parasitic acid, to ensure safety and improve appearance. The turkeys are then rinsed with clean water and dried with high-speed hot air systems. Optical scanners equipped with high-speed cameras inspect each bird for defects, diverting any substandard specimens from the main line. Next, Precision machines de-wing, de-flesh and debone the thighs using curved blades and pressure sensors. Each cut is made to maximize yield and minimize waste. Finally, the various cuts are transferred to automated packaging lines. Electronic scales ensure each tray is filled accurately, and vacuum-sealed packages are labelled with QR codes to track the turkey's journey from farm to table. Hundreds of cuts roll off the line every minute into cold storage units, ready for national and international distribution. If you find this turkey farming and cooking journey fascinating, be sure to like the video, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe to our channel for more insights into the world of modern agriculture and food production. Your support helps us bring more behind-the-scenes stories to light, stories that reveal the hard work, science, and care behind the food on your plate.